Hi.
How you doing today?
I'm okay.
You know a man named Samuel Grant? He lives somewhere up the road there in the lane.
Oh, yes, Samuel. Him live right up the road beside me.
Really? Alright, I could give you a lift, you know, because out there I go and want to find him, you know. A long time I don't see him.
I don't really take right from stranger, you know.
You know, say, I'm a stranger. I'm born and grew about the place, man. I just see me go here and I just come back and I try to find my uncle, you know? Yeah, so you safe with me, man. If you know my uncle, you know me.
Alright, you can give me a lift for the bucket then?
Yeah, man, no problem. Babes, you know some money need something for come link him up on my yard and I'm gonna give him one link and come back, alright?
Alright. But babes, please remember, I make reservation at Sunday, so please be here early because it closes 10 o'clock. Okay?
Baby, so come on, I'm not stay long, alright?
Alright.
Just go and build till I come, alright?
Love you.
Lick come on.
Bye.
Kim! Oh my God, you drop asleep.
Look at the time.
I just went to have a little drink with the guys. What can I do to make it up to you?
Look, don't touch me. I don't want to even see you right now. I just can't believe it. You forget about our anniversary?
Babe, come on, man. Let's go to the room. You know what? Do what you want to do, okay?
You're right. I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Hold on. What you just say a while ago?
Look here. I know you hear what I say a while ago. Excuse me.
Yo, come back yourself. Yo, you know say, yo, I don't want to do you nothing in my eh? Yo, how you there on you? Tell me how you are.
Kill me.
Yo, you know say I don't want to kill you, I don't want to do you nothing do. Oh, I know you. Well, you said the catacomb did mad last night. Everything good. What I'm so called about. Yo, come here. Come sit down yourself. Come sit down yourself. Sit down. How are this? Eh? Imagine you tell me say this you look but give me. Come like you and your man fall like food and I buy put in your house, you know.
I just the food finish, I just flour alone leave and I just fix up that field because I know say you're hungry and you go up on the road.
I this you call food. Yo, what is? What is? You finish this, you know? You come talk about Yeah, man, feel like food. I tell me about food done, eh? Food you take man fine now.
Me not take this no more,
You
no.
not
Me
take
not
no
take
more?
this no more, man.
Stop your knife. Oh yeah, eh?
What happened, Miss Jones?
Fell off a bike, though.
A bike? Well, it's your words. It seems as if you have gotten us straight right. You must know. Let me get you some painkillers.
Damali, you can't move the settee. Look how long me beg you move the settee, man.
Youth, let me tell you this. You fi do everything around this place here. If you lift up your house and put it, push by your and put it on already, you talk about help you. A paradise me bring you come live in. Me not supposed to help you do nothing.
Would I like see color your art? Eh?
Black.
You're lazy, so. You never help me do nothing. You know, say I'm pregnant. I'm 4 months pregnant and you won't even help me do nothing.
Pregnant? You're just 4 months pregnant and I go like say you're 9 months pregnant. Eh? Nothing do you. Or you fi do everything around there. So you work. Eh? And me alone I work and I put everything in the house. So you fi do everything.
Move your foot, man.
Yo, look at this guy. Yo. Yo, you know what you do about that?
Yes, Mr. Grant. What really happened? I really like to know.
Doc, I don't even know what happened. You know, I was in a different part of the house and I heard she scream out, and when I rushed to assist her, look, and I saw that she fell on something, and when I look, it was a banana skin that she slid on. So I rushed her quickly down here to, you know, get her some assistance because I guess she was in pain.
You mentioned the banana skin. Banana skin.
Yes.
Banana skin. You said banana skin, right?
Yes, Doc. It's exactly that happened.
Well, it must be a mighty slide. Mr. Grant, try to be more careful next time around. You cannot leave banana skin hanging around when you know you have a pregnant lady living with you.
That's true, Doc.
I'm going to examine her again, so you can just wait outside for the next 15 minutes.
Kim, what you do, the baby? What happened?
Mommy, you know, say I push them all, he push me down. I just simply ask him to move the settee and he just get all angry at me and then he push me.
You know, say there's something there going, Kim. You know, say there's something there going, you know. We cannot check pasta.
Check pasta for what?
You feel like a counseling, Kim.
Molly no need no counseling, mommy. I just change them all he need for change, man. You no need no counseling. You just need for change.
Kim, see for your sister moving with your 7 people in your room. Your room full. No, we're not there for you, Kim. You have to work you out.
Yeah. See my call. Hello. Yes. Baby. You have to go change, you know. Me no know. Me can't. Alright. You try, but you have to change. And later me make you know if me can come home. And you have to change. Alright.
Kim, you have to go home. You have to go back home, Kim. A place full up.
shuts it down. Notre Dame 6 for 7 from the field.
We need
Yo.
to talk.
What that for?
We need to talk.
Really? I know when you say that word, we need to talk. I know say something you have to come tell me right now. Alright, me here we have to say now.
Damali, how long we been together?
How long we been together? Are you for tell me?
Babes, you physically abuse me?
Hold on. What you just said to me? Abuse. After me take you out of the dump and bring you come to this beautiful home and make you become what you is now. Are you talking about abuse?
Look here, I'm willing to go back where I come from. I just want to live a life where I'm happy.
Listen, me decide when this relationship done. You talking about abuse. And boy, you know what? I'm gonna leave you. You just sit down there so and think about what you just said to me a while ago. Here? Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone. Yo, yeah, you're not funny.
Yes, Mr. Wright.
Did I really have to stab him?
Mommy, you don't know me that got through, you know. God know you don't know. Not because me not tell you when did I go on, but me couldn't take it no more.
Take these medication 2 times per day. The first time I treat your girlfriend, she fell from a bike. The second time around, it was that banana skin. The Jamaican banana skin. And now you're here because of a knife stab that could have cost you your life.
I don't want to stab you know. Play me in her play and she turned over the knife and the knife accidentally jumped.
Me think the last time I didn't come back for you. Me think things gonna work out. Me think when I work out, Kim, me didn't know say something I still want.
For 1 week, me couldn't manage it no more. God know. It come like me can't do nothing right for him. Nothing right.
Me glad you not kill him. Me glad you not kill him, Kim. Me nah no money for forget liar, you know.
Kim, are you me come find her? By the way, good day, mommy. Please come back home. Me forgive you enough for stab me, you know. More you come back home. Do me a beg you, Kim. Please. I miss you up at the yard.
Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. With all the abuse you abuse her. You beat her. She lose her picnic. And now you about to have your heart to come back for her. Come out of me yard.
I forgive you for stab me, Kim. I miss you. I want you back up at the yard. Do me a beg you. See our uncle come here. Uncle, please talk to her for me now.
No get involved in this. No get involved. We need to come out of my yard and leave her alone.
So you don't want to come back? Alright. anything you don't want to do, do what you don't want to do. You know see the place, the whole place won't tear down pound. The place dirty and nasty and not talk about you live a good place. Me bring you in a paradise and I so you want to come back and live. Stay here so because I so you did fit stay all the time. Boy, you know see your house soon drop down. I talk about yo, boy. That's all the stay on it.
Hello? We just say, Mommy.
What? Mommy. What? My gosh, what am I going to do?
You feel glad you get rid of him. I'm going to go up on the yard. I'm going to collect my clothes. We have an extra key. I'm going to collect my clothes.
You ball. You get rid of him now.
I see if I can take out some things before the family then come.